Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix SD card reader not working problem in Windows 11, 10. First method is open File Explorer. Click three dots, click Options, click View tab. Check Show Hidden Files Folders and Drives, also uncheck Hide Empty Drives. Second method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Universal Serial Bus Controllers, right-click USB device, click Update Driver, click Browse My Computer for drives, click Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, select Model, click Next. Update all devices one by one. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.